Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So this ignorance is going on. Therefore, for future guidance, Parikshit Maharaj inquired this question, how the living entity got this body, material body. Whether it is automatically, without any cause, or with cause. But with cause, it will be explained. It is not. When the cause is there, just like if you infect some disease, automatically you will suffer from this disease. It will come automatically. That is automatic. But your becoming infected, that is cause. So if you become cautious not to be infected, then the cause of lower birth or suffering you can avoid. Therefore, we have started this society. Society means that you'll get here the cause of being elevated. That's why there are so many societies, equal class of men, birds of the same feather flock together. So here is a society who will flock here, who will come here, because this society is meant for liberation. People are suffering so much on account of material condition of life. Nobody is happy. That is a fact. But because they are in ignorance, they are accepting unhappiness as happiness. This is called Maya. This is called Maya. Janmaithunadi grihamedi sukham mitucham. This Maya is very much manifest in sex life. They accept the sex life is very nice, but after that there is so many distresses, legal or illegal, it doesn't matter. Legal distresses or illegal distresses, but it is distress. Every one of us we know. Therefore, everything to make the best use of a bad body. We have got this material body. The cause was there. The cause was there that because we wanted to enjoy and did not like to serve Krishna. This is the cause. Krishna bhuliya jiva bhogavansha. We are serving Krishna. That is our place, constitutional position to serve Krishna. But sometimes we desire, why shall I serve Krishna? Why shall I serve the spiritual master? I shall enjoy. But that enjoyment was there by serving Krishna. But he wanted to become enjoyer independent of Krishna. That is the cause of world love. With Krishna, you can enjoy very nicely. You have seen the picture how with Krishna the gopis are nicely dancing. Enjoy. The cowherd boys are playing. Enjoy. With Krishna, that is your real enjoyment. But without Krishna, when you want to enjoy, that is Maya. That is Maya. So Maya is there always. And because unless there is darkness, you cannot appreciate the quality of brightness. Therefore Krishna has created darkness, Maya also, so that you can appreciate what is bright. Two things are required. Without brightness, the darkness cannot be appreciated. And darkness, without darkness, the brightness cannot be appreciated. The two things are there, side by side. Just like there is sunlight and here is shadow, side by side. You can remain within the shadow, you can remain within the sunshine. That is your choice. If we remain in the darkness, then our life is miserable. And if we remain in the light, brightness, therefore Vedic literature instructs us, tamasima, don't remain in the dark. Jyotirgama, go to the light. This certain Krishna consciousness movement is an attempt to bring people from darkness to the light. So, don't misuse this opportunity. Somewhere or other, you have come in contact with this movement, properly utilize it, don't go to the darkness. Always remain in bright light. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.